Wow,
isang surprise ba kayo sa ating dami nating mga guests ngayon sa ating fans club, di ba? So, syempre, hindi lang bilang fans club ang gagawin natin dito dahil we are celebrating the 18th birthday of the Jet. So, di ba? So, everybody, I'm requesting everybody to sing a birthday song for our celebrator, Sir Gerald. Ayan. So, everybody, ready? Are you ready to sing, everybody?
Yes!
Parang natutulog na kayo. Are you ready to sing, everybody?
Yes!
Yes! So we're going to sing a birthday song for Sir Gerald.
Tapos tanggalin yung ano tayo ulit.
So everybody, let's clap our hands for Sir Gerald. Everybody! Happy birthday to you! Everybody stand up! Happy birthday! Sir Gerald.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Once again!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Wow! Happy birthday to you! Ayan, so everybody, let's say happy birthday, Gerald. Wow! Happy birthday, Bokbok! Ayan, so I'm requesting Sir Gerald to come here together with Miss Kim para sa ating glowing of candle. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin Sir Gerald. Ayan. Wow, ang sweet. Now, lahat po tayo magkakaroon ng chance na picture taking si Miss Kim at especially si Sir Gerald.
Assistant man.
So, once again, let's say happy birthday, Gerald. Ready, get set, go!
Happy birthday, Gerald!
So, Sir Gerald, make a wish and blow your candle. Wow! Ha? Wow, so Sir Gerald, ano mong wish niyo po? Pwede po ba namin malaman?
Huwag na.
Yes, yung wish niyo po.
Ganun po, secret lang po yan. Baka hindi mga, di ba? Dapat hindi sabihin yung wish mo.
Wow, secret daw. Sorry na lang kayo. Alright, so once again, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Gerald. Ayan. Right? So everybody will have a chance to take some pictures together with Sir Gerald and Miss Kim. Ayan.